Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Roman page number in Word from specific page. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we insert Roman page number in Word from a specific page. Go to the another page. Then go to the layout menu and click breaks drop down menu. Then choose next page. Then go to the first page and click breaks and choose continuous. Then go to the second page and go back the insert menu. Then click page number option, then choose top of page. Then go to the page number and choose format page number. Then choose page number format Roman. Then click OK. Then go to link previous and go to the first page. Then delete the page number. Then go to the third page and delete the page number. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we insert Roman page number from specific page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.